Guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna start off by taking the shade Mary from the Morphe X James Charles palette, and I'm gonna be applying this to my outer lid and just slowly blending it out. I'm gonna go ahead and take the shade Spooky, and I'm gonna apply this closest to the lash line just so that it's not too dark. After going back and forth doing that step, I'm gonna go ahead and take the shade So Good, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply this with a little packing brush. I'm just gonna go ahead and spray it for most intensity, and I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this to the inner lid. And as you can see, I'm kind of cutting the crease but without actually using concealer, but then I'm gonna go ahead and blend out those rough lines. As you can see here, I am now just taking my finger and going in with a So Good again and just packing that on just so I could get as most shimmer as I can. For the lower lash line, I'm kind of just taking whatever's left on the brush and using the shade Spooky just to blend out my lower lash line. And if I do need to, I will go back in with the shade Spooky and apply more, just because I do want to kind of have some shadow on the lower lash line as well. Going in with a detailed brush, I'm going to be taking the shade Face, which is this really pretty highlight shade, and I'm just going to be applying this to the inner corner just to make everything come all together. So I'm gonna just go ahead and take some liner and just line my lash line just to give it more like of a finished look, and apply some mascara. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video and found this tutorial much more like easier to do rather than my previous. If you guys do want to see more content, be sure to subscribe, and also don't forget to like, comment, and share. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys for watching.